Hey there, I'm reviewing the Achiou Women Winter Gloves, a must-have for keeping your hands warm and cozy during chilly days. The thermal knit lining is soft and comfortable, providing excellent insulation against the cold without feeling bulky. These gloves are perfect for everyday use, whether you are commuting, walking, or running errands in cold weather. The touchscreen functionality is a fantastic feature, allowing me to use my smartphone without having to take off the gloves. The touch sensitivity works seamlessly, and I can easily text, scroll, or answer calls even in freezing temperatures. The gloves are stretchy and have a snug fit, making them one size fits all. The elastic material ensures they stay securely on my hands without feeling too tight. Plus, the design is simple yet stylish, making them versatile enough to match any winter outfit. Overall, these gloves are a perfect combination of warmth, functionality, and style. Highly recommended for anyone looking to stay comfortable and connected during the colder months.